Question 4. The diagram on the right shows a graph of quadratic function, this one. A, H and K are constants. So this one is written in vertex formula. So H and K will be our vertex. Okay. They said negative 2, 16 is the maximum point of the graph. State the values of A, H and K. Alright. So this graph is A, X plus H plus K. So this is vertex form, right? That means this will be our maximum point. So how to put it inside? A, X. Okay, this is negative 2, isn't it? So when we put inside the bracket, it will become plus 2. And K, you just write it as K. K will be our 16. Okay, so this will be the X and Y coordinate. Just that the X coordinate, you must change symbol when you want to put it into the bracket. So from here, we can already say H is 2, K is 16. Now we only need to find A. Okay. To find A, we need to find any other coordinate that is on the graph. So you can see here, they gave us another coordinate. This is the y-intercept. So if we write it in coordinate form, it will be 0, 12. X is 0, y is 12. So we use these coordinates, we put it into the equation, we can find A. Right. So this is fx, right? They said fx is. So fx is the same as y. Then, so if this is y, this is x, we sub the y into here. We'll get 12 equals to A. Our x, we sub it into here. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 square plus 16. So this will be A. 0 plus 2 is just 2. 2 square is 4. 4A plus 16. Then we make 4A the subject. So 16 we bring here, become 12 minus 16. So 4A is 12 minus 16. So 12 minus 16 is negative 4. Then this 4 we bring over there. A will become negative 4 over 4. A is negative 1. So you can say A is negative 1. This will be our answer. Done. So this is how to find A, H and K. Okay, the H and K from the vertex. A, you have no choice, but you have to sub the coordinate into to find A. Okay, but you cannot sub the same coordinate. If you sub the same coordinate, you won't get the answer. Because negative 2, if you put into x, this whole thing becomes 0. Yeah, so you cannot find the answer lah. Right. Alright, let's look at B. Hence, express the function in general form and intercept form. Okay, let's look at the general form first lah. So we rewrite the function, this one, we put in the values lah. A is negative 1, so negative 1, x plus h, h is 2, k is 16. So negative 1, we no need to write the 1, just write negative. So this was our vertex form. Now we need to write it in general form. So to find general form, you just have to expand this equation. So negative x square will become x square. 2 times x times 2 is 4x. 2 square is 4 plus 16. Then we open up the bracket, we get negative x square minus 4x minus 4 plus 16. So minus 4 plus 16 will give us positive 12. So this is the equation in general form. Done. And then they ask us to find an intercept form. So intercept form will look something like this, where we have to factorize. So from here, first we have to make a into 1. Currently it's -1. So what we do is we factor out the -1. So we'll be left with x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so basically all the terms I divided by -1 lah. Okay, right. Then we factorize this. So this one you can use your calculator. A is 1, B is 4, C is -12. So we get x equals to -6. So when you put it into the bracket, it will be +6. And b x minus 2. So this will be our intercept form. Done. So this is general form. This is general form and this is intercept form. That's it.